Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Manavat and I welcome all of you to this video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about percentage increase and decrease. We will start with basics as I promised you, and then in coming videos we'll increase the difficulty level up to the level that you can crack the exams easily. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to discuss about percentage. It's a very important topic. If you understand percentage, there are other concepts also which will be easy for you to understand. Well, so let's start with it. What is percent? Percent means per 100. Whatever calculation you do on base of 100, that will be percent. Let me give you one example. Let's say you answered a test, okay? You answered a test. So in a test, you scored 9 out of 12. How much did you score? 9 marks out of 12. So what is the percentage? How much percentage did you secure or you scored in this particular test? Alright. So now as we understand that percent means what? Per 100. If I convert this score of 9 on scale of 100, the value which I'll get, that will be percent. Okay, so percent means what? Per 100. Later I'll tell you where else do we use percentage and why do we use percent in our routine life. So let's see how do we convert this into percentage. Here you are saying that okay, the exam is of 12 marks and out of 12 you secure how much? 9. Out of 12 you scored how much? 9 marks. Had this exam been on scale of 100, what would have been your score? Okay, if you perform the same. Alright, this is the situation. Now we all have studied in the school time that if we get such kind of statement, we usually use what? Cross multiplication, correct? So if you simplify this, if you try to simplify this, what you will do is, what you will do here, you will say, okay, this should be 9 into 100 divided by 12. Okay, so this should be, if you cross multiply here, what you get here is 9 into 100 divided by 12, right? Correct? That's how you get this question mark value. Right? So, well, you don't have to take much stress on this. This is just for the explanation that what is percentage and how do we have to convert the value into percentage. So it's 9 by 12 into 100. So I can also say in a way that I have scored 9 marks out of 12. Yeah, 9 by 12. And to convert into percentage, I multiply this by 100. Alright, because I have to convert this into base or scale of 100. Alright, now if I simplify this, what will I get? I have 3 3s are and 3 4s are. So this is what you have as 75%. Yeah, if you cancel this further, this is 25 and 25 3s are 75. And this is the sign of percentage. Right? Okay, so keep it simple. If you have a value and you have a total of that, and if you want to convert that into percentage, if you want to find out the percentage of that value, you use a simple method that you have value here divided by total into 100. To convert into percentage, you multiply by what? 100. That's right. You multiply by what? 100. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's say in a class there are let's say 30 boys and 20 girls. What is the percentage of girls in the class? Yeah, I'm sure by now you know the answer. But let me simplify this, because as I promised, I will start from basics. Okay, so even if you don't know this percentage topic or basic calculation, I will help you out. As I promised, I will start from the basics so that everybody will understand, all my audience, all my students will understand this, and then we'll slowly, gradually raise the bar. We'll focus more on the practice questions with the theory which we have. Okay, so I know what are the challenges students are facing. You will find theories, a lot of theories on the internet, but practice questions are less. In my videos, I will try to do other way around. I will use more questions to make you understand the theories. All right. So now how to calculate? So you will say, okay, 30 boys, 20 girls, the percentage of girls in class. So total, so as the formula which I have written here, total is what? 20 plus 30, 20 girls and 30 boys. So total which we want, the total should be what? 30 plus 20, that would be 50. So you will say, in the class we have 50 students, out of which the value which I am talking about, for which I need to calculate percentage, that value is what? The number of girls in the class. So how many girls are there in the class? There are 20 girls in the class, right? So you will say what? In that case, the calculation should be 20 girls out of 50 into 100. I hope this is clear to you. The value for which we need to calculate percentage divided by total, 50, right? So if you simplify this, what you will get, I have this 0, 0 cancel, 5 2s are 10 with 0, and then here we get 20 into 2, that is 40%, right? So there are 40% girls in the class. Let me get you another example. So let's say there's an alloy, okay, which is mixed, which is compound of copper, zinc and iron. Okay, so let's say you have copper is, let's say, 25 gram in that alloy. Then we have iron. Okay, iron in chemistry, in the periodic table, iron we mention as Fe iron. Okay, so let's say this is 30 grams here, and then I have 15 grams which is of zinc. Okay, 15 grams of zinc, that is 15 grams. Now if I want to calculate, if the question is find the percentage of copper in the alloy, okay, so how much should that be? As we know the formula, okay, it should be value. You say formula or you say the way you calculate percentage? The value, which is how much? Percentage of copper, that is 25 on total. What is total here? 25 plus 30 plus 15. How much is that? 25 plus 30 plus 15. Right? How much will that give you? This is 40 and this is 30, so it will give you total of 70. So 25 by 70 into 100. That's how you calculate. All right. So cancel this. Okay. Now let me give you the answer in form of mixed fraction. So here I have 250 by 7. Well, if I divide this to 250 by 7, what do I get? Okay. Well, this is percentage. If you have this as one of the option in the exam, you can mark this. But here I want to teach you how to convert this fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. So it will be bit away from the topic percentage, but still you should know how to convert into mixed fraction. So this is 250 by 7, so we need to divide 250 by 7. 7 3s are 21, I have 4 here, and then 0, then 7 5s are 35. Yes, absolutely right. How much do you get here? 5, correct? So this I can say this is nothing but 35 integer, 35, which is what? Quotient. Okay, this is called quotient. That's the value which you get after dividing. 35 integer, the remainder, whatever is remainder, that's 5, and the divisor, which is what? 7 here. Okay, so 250 by 7 percentage can also be written as what? 35 integer 5 by 7. Okay, so I hope by now you are clear that how to calculate percentage. Now let's talk about why to calculate percentage. Where do we calculate percentage? To answer why, we use percentage to compare values. All right, so to give example on this, let's say you have let's say okay, so in your 10th standard, in your 10th exam, okay, in your 10th exam you scored 450 marks total. Okay, total 450 marks. And in your 12th exam you secured, let's say, 400 marks. Okay, now you got to tell me that in which exam did you perform well, in your 10th exam or in your 12th exam? Will you be in a position to answer this by having only this much of information? Yes, absolutely right. You will not be able to answer that in which exam have you performed well until unless you know the exam, the marks which you scored was out of total how much, right? Okay, so having only these numbers will not be enough. Okay, so let me tell you, in 10th, let's say this 450 marks you scored out of 600. Okay, and this 450 marks which you scored is, they are out of 500. All right, now I hope you will get some idea that in which exam you have performed better. Okay, but still, to make it simpler for comparison, it will be better if we have both these marks on same scale. Okay, and to standardize we use the scale what? 100. That's where percentage come into picture. Okay, so to conclude, to summarize, where do we use percentage? Why do we use percentage? We use percentage to compare. All right, okay, so why do we use? We use simply to compare. If anybody asks you that why do we use percentage, you can simply say to compare, to have values on the same base, so it will be easy to compare both of them, right? Okay, so 450 out of 600, let's calculate the percentage value here. So you have got 450, okay, that you want to calculate in percentage. Cancel this, you have got these cancellations, so I'll go with 6 here. So 6 sevens are 42, and then you have how much? You got 3 here, so that is 5s are, and that's where you scored what? 75%, right? Correct. And in your 12th marks, 12th exam, how much percentage did you score? Can you calculate and tell me? Be fast. So you got 400 out of 500, multiply by 100, 0 0 cancel, and then you have 5 8s are 40, and then you have got 1 0 here, and that's where you got how much? 80% marks. Now tell me, when we started this question, we had only 450 and 400, right? And now we have percentage, so it is much clearer that in which exam did you score better, because both numbers, both percentage 75 and 80, both of them are on scale of 100. It will be easy to answer that, correct? Now let's do some basic calculations on percentage, just to warm up, just to understand much more in detail. Okay, some basic calculations which will make you comfortable with percentage, and then later we'll start solving some problem statements, some problem solving questions. Okay, so here you have what percentage is equal to 5 integer 1 by 4. That means if you have this mixed fraction, that is 5 integer 1 by 4, and if I convert this into percentage, what will be the percentage value? That's the question, right? Now first of all, we will understand how to simplify the mixed fraction, how to convert this mixed fraction into a normal fraction, that's called improper fraction. Okay, so how to simplify this mixed fraction? Yeah, so here 4 and 5 we multiply, and then 5 and 1 we add here, correct? So what do you get? 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. So in numerator I'll write 21, and denominator will come as it is 4. So 5 integer 1 by 4 can also be written as what? 21 by 4. Now it's time to convert into percentage. So 21 by 4 multiply by 100. Here we have 4, cancel. So you have 25. Yeah, 25 4s are 100. I hope you know that. If not, learn tables till 25. Okay, that will make your maths faster, that will make your calculations faster. And don't give me this excuse that in CAT exam you are allowed to use on-screen calculator. You still should be able to do some basic calculation by yourself. Okay, well, let's multiply. So here we have 21 5s are, that will get you 105. So 5 carry over 10, and then 21 2s are 42 plus 10 52, and then percentage sign as it is, right? Okay, so 5 integer 1 by 4 in percentage form, that is 525%. Okay, I will teach you all the shortcuts which are required for calculation, but as of now it's important to stay with me and focus on these basic calculations. All right, so you warm up in percentage chapter, and then we'll go for the tougher questions. Okay, so this video's objective is only to make you comfortable with percentage. All right, okay, so we have here 0.005 equal to question mark percentage. What percentage will it make? So 0.005, well, that if I convert into fraction, remove decimal. I hope you know that. For removing decimal I have 1, and after decimal we have got 3 digits. So I'll write 1, and then with this we have got 3 zeros, right? Now to convert into percentage, we have this 5 of numerator and 1000 of denominator, multiply by 100, and it will get you a beautiful outcome, that's 5 by 10, that is what 0.5. Okay, if you face any difficulty, if you feel that I'm going faster, or if you do not understand any particular step, please write in the comment box. I will try covering that part again in my next video. All right, okay, and to remind you again what we are doing, we are first becoming comfortable with percentage so that we can handle difficult questions. Okay, next question, what percentage is 0.6? Or sorry, my bad, read again. What fraction is 0.6 percentage? Okay, let's see. So as of now we have seen that if you want to convert into percentage, we multiply by 100, correct? Go reverse. If we have to remove the percentage sign, then obviously we will divide by 100. Okay, so to convert into percentage, multiply by 100. To remove the percentage sign, divide by 100. Convert into percentage, multiply by 100. Remove percentage, divide by 100. Alright, okay, so 0.6 here. Remove percentage sign. What do we have? 0.6 by 100 here. Remove the percentage sign. Okay, let me remove this 0 point decimal also here. After decimal I have got 1 digit, so I will have, after 1 I will have 1 0 in the denominator. That's how I got 6 by 1000. That should be okay with you. If you want to simplify this further, you can cancel the numerator as well as denominator. You can deduct it by 2, so you have cancel by 2, you have got 3 here. 2 5s are 10 with 2 zeros. I have 2 3 by 500, that is 0.6% into fraction. Okay, let's see one more question, and I have many questions for you today just to make you comfortable with percentage. Remember, okay, so 0.025 in terms of rate of percentages. Rate of percentage, percent. That means 0.025 we have to convert into percentage. Convert into percentage, that means multiply by 100. First remove decimal sign, it will be easy for you. Okay, so if you don't want to remove the percentage sign, that's also fine, forget. You can simply multiply this by 100 to convert into percentage. See what you get here? Multiply by 100. Now learn this. If I am multiplying by 100, 100 has got 2 zeros. That's why this decimal sign will go 2 digits at the right hand side. 1, 2. So here you will have decimal. That means the outcome is 2.5%. Okay, I hope that's clear to you. Okay, the next is, what percentage of 12 is 84? And I will keep solving questions. I'll keep solving questions until you become comfortable with percentage. So what percent of 12 is 85? What percent of 12 is 84? Okay, what percent of 12 is 84? Okay, if you get confused that what should come in numerator, what should come in denominator, you can simply say what percent. This what percent can be replaced with a variable. So I can say what percent. All right, I'll say X percent of 12 is, if you convert into mathematical operator, that is equal 84. So if you do not understand what should come in numerator, what should come in denominator, this is easy way to do. And I'll tell you what mistake usually student might do in this question. Okay, so remove percentage sign, divide by 100. I need to calculate value of X. Off in BODMAS rule, off means what? Multiply 12 equal to 84. Yeah, BODMAS rule. What is BODMAS rule? I'm sure you are clear about that. Yeah, so here this O stands for off and this off stands for multiplication. So in this mathematical expression, if you see off, you can easily replace with multiplication sign. So you have X equal to 84 multiply by 100 divide by, take this 12 the other side. Okay, in case if you don't know, then let me teach you this also. When you change the side, the mathematical sign get interchanged. Okay, that means the multiplication become divide become multiplication, plus become minus, minus become plus. Addition becomes subtraction, subtraction will become addition, right? So, whenever we change the side for number or variable, multiplication will become division, division will become multiplication. Addition will become subtraction and subtraction will become addition. Numerator will become denominator and a denominator will become numerator. Okay, keep this in mind. So here 100 was in denominator, so I am taking it to the numerator when I change the side. 12, which is in multiplication, will become in division. Okay, division we write in the denominator. Alright, now simplify this. What you have 12 sevens are 84. What do you get here? 700%. Yeah. So what percent of 12 is 84? It is 700% of 12, that will give you 84. Most of the students will make mistake here. They might write, I don't know whether you are amongst them or not. If you are, then don't forget to comment, okay? Or well, if you don't want to count yourself in that, then just hit the like button. Cut. Most of the students make mistake here. I hope you are not one amongst them. Okay, they make this as 12 upon 84 because first thing comes in our mind that the smaller number is in the numerator and the bigger number is in the denominator when you are calculating percentage. But let me tell you, this is a myth. That you have to go as per the question. Okay, that's the beauty of maths. That makes maths easy. You don't have to assume things. All right, just go as per the question, whatever the question says. What percent of 12 is 84? Convert that into mathematical expression. X percent, what percent? X percent of 12 is equal to 84. All right. Okay, we got the answer here, and then we have got more questions. Let's solve more questions. So express 7 by 8 into percentage. Tell me the answer in the comment box. Let me leave this as homework for you. Okay, let me leave this as a homework for you. I've got some homework also for you. Let me leave this as homework for you. Alright. Convert 8 integer 1 by 3 into percentage into fraction. So first we will convert this into, this is what kind of fraction is it? Tell me, what kind of fraction is this? 8 integer 1 by 3? Fraction. Absolutely right. This is mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction, right? So convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Where numerator by denominator, if numerator is more than denominator, that's called improper fraction. Improper doesn't mean that the fraction is not proper. Okay, that is fraction, but it's a definition. Improper where numerator is more than denominator. Okay, so yes, tell me, how do we convert this into improper fraction? Yes, I know, all of you know that. This 8 multiplied by 3 and then result you add with 1. Okay, so tell me, 8 3s are 24 plus 1 will give you 25 by 3. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 will give you 25. Percentage, you have to remove the percentage sign to convert into fraction. What do you have? 25 by 3 and remove the percentage sign. That means you have to divide by 100. Alright, 25 4s are 100 and that's how you get 1 by 12. Correct? Okay, let's quickly take next question. That is 37 integer 1 by 2 of percentage of 48 is equal to how much? Let's simplify this. 37 integer 1 by 2 percentage of 48 equal to how much? Tell me, what did we learn from the previous question? This question. Off means multiply. Replace this off with multiplication sign. Alright? And let's simplify this mixed fraction too. So I have here 2 multiplied by 37 plus 1. Okay? You can also write this as 37.5, but there is no fun in that. Let's convert this into improper and then multiply by 48 and keep it simple. So that will get you 2 into 37 will get you 74 plus 1. 74 plus 1 is 75 by 2. Percentage, remove the percentage sign, divide by 100. Replace off with multiplication. Write 48 as it is. Yeah, you can rewind the video and check how am I simplifying this. So cancel by 25, 25 3s are 75, 4s are 100, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, cancel by 2, you got 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and then you have nothing in the denominator. Having 1 in the denominator is as good as having nothing. Like you just need to 1, you do not write in the denominator. So you got 3 6 are 18. So what is the 37.5% or 37 integer 1 by 2 percentage of 48 is 18. That's the answer. I hope all of you are with me. Great. Thank you. Let's see the next part. Okay. Let's see the next question here. If 200% of a number is 90, then what is the 80% of that number? Okay. If 200% of a number, this is the number which we don't know, is 90, then what is 80% of that number? See, I can solve this question by using calculation trick, but as of now, as I said, this video's objective is to make you comfortable with percentage. Alright, so let's solve this. So we have 200% of a number, 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 I don't know the number, let's say x is, if you want to replace with the mathematical operator, what you do? Put equal to 90. This is a given statement. What do we need to find? We need to find then what is 80% of that number. Then we need to find 80% of that number. That means x is what? Okay. As I said, I can show you some shortcuts, some calculation trick here, but not today, not in this video, in coming videos. Yeah, I mean, just to simplify for you, you can see that this is 4 2s are 8 and this is 4 5s are 20, right? Here you can see 18 5s are 90, so the answer should be 18 2s are 36. That's the answer. But well, I'll teach you this calculation later. Let's simplify this with one step by step. So let me take this part here. So 200%, remove the percentage sign, divide by 100, of replace with multiplication. I have x here equal to 90. Cancel. How much will x give you? X will give you 90. Divide by 2. That is going to get you what? 45. Absolutely right, 45. Now I have got x equal to 45. Let me replace this here. So here this will get me 80% of, now what am I simplifying here? This equation, right? X, which we already know. What is x now? 45. What is that number now, which we assume to be x? 45. Simplify. 4, or let's say, yeah, 2 4s are and 2 5s are 5 9s are, and tell me what is 9 4s are 36, right? This is what I have told you earlier also, but as I said, I promise you that I'll take you to that advanced level also, but first be comfortable with percentage. That's very important. Okay, now I have got these questions for you. I have got these questions for you as homework. So what you have to do is you have to take a note of this homework, and you got to tell me in comments what are the answers of these questions. Okay, let me see how many questions am I giving it to you. Well, there are 7 questions, good number of questions. Okay, and I will tell you the answer of these questions. Yes, so but first you have to simplify this and tell me the answers in comment. Okay, I will simplify these questions for you in the next video. So this is it in today's video. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.